I got one more thing. Got one more thing to say. Well, I have killed a squirrel with a rock. I've killed a squirrel with a brick. I don't give a fuck about them. Squirrels, I don't give a fuck about squirrels. I don't give a fuck about chipmunks, ducks. I don't give a fuck about them. See, I don't give a fuck about birds. Like, who gives a fuck about them, huh? Right? They're fucking stupid. The birds are fucking stupid. That's just what I had to say. Like, I don't give a fuck about them little fucking things. And, they can just fucking go out and suck my ass. I don't give a fuck. And I don't give a fuck about you. You fucking dirty ass cunt. Fucking bag. Suck my ass. Fuck. Alright, cheers. Cheers, guys. I just had to get that off my chest. Fucking hilarious. Fucking hilarious. But seriously, I don't give a fuck about birds. Alright, I got something to fucking say, man. What the fuck's up with all these bird videos today, man? Fucking birds, man. The other night I made a video saying I'd eat a fucking bird, man. I just see Yellow Groove making videos about birds. I don't know, I just think it's fucking funny. I think it's awesome. But I just think it's so funny. Because I said, my video was just so funny. I said I'd eat a bird. I'm gonna put that video up. It's another wallaby video. But it's so fucking funny. And up and down around town, I've seen one of his videos, like, bird. I'm just like, fucking birds everywhere, man. It's a great song. It's Gigi. Gigi. Drinking Old English brand. That's good. Pick me up on your way down. Oh, that's great. I love that song. But know this. I practice Tai Chi in my spare time. I've got a fucking heavy bag in my garage. Yeah. Don't want to fuck with me, man. You know, once I get on this Rambo headband, man, start going wild with them nunchucks, dude. Fuck. There's nothing like it. You get some 40s in you, get some nunchucks, start hitting people. It's fucking the best, dude. Yeah. I've actually practiced Muay Thai for about 4 years now. And I'd have to say, it's fucking pretty badass. I'd have to say, I opened this for you earlier today. Drank half of it. Then I got too drunk. And then it was sitting there for a couple of hours or something. So I put it in the freezer for a couple of hours. Put it in my fridge. and got it back out now. Fucking sitting there on the floor till I was ready to grab her. I grabbed the fucking thing, and I went to do the cap toss, you know, the cap spin, kind of like the chrome snake. And I went like this, and all I could hear was a little pop. So it was like pop, and the cap fucking flew, dude. Like the pressure inside the bottle blew the cap right off of there. I was like, oh, fuck, man. Seen something like that happen before, but never on a 40. Fuck. So, with that being said, I want to give a shout out to Yellow Groove and Up and Down Around Town, because bird videos, that's where it's at. Birds. I drew a bird the other day, or the other week or something, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, shiitake mushrooms. Cheers, guys. And I have to say, you all have a great fucking day. And go fucking listen to yourself some G.G. Allin and get a 40 in you. Because if you ain't fucked up, you fucked up.